I've been requested to film Michael pulling in as he's coming to the house today, so I'm doing just that. Holy crap, that was quick. Gosh dang. Told me he's bringing the charger. That looks so good. This ain't a charger. Dude, that looks awesome.
So that get you again?
Huh?
That get you pretty good?
Yeah, I was like, okay, I was expecting to hear the charger pop. I was in this white bean rolls in. Dude, that looks incredible. Nice job. So
it was a pain.
So this, in case you guys are new, is MazdaSpeed3. It was red, and I was
by the door jams.
Yeah. So Michael did this all himself, and this is the first time I got to see the brass monkey wheels in light as well. Yeah,
they're dirty.
Brass monkey,
disgusting.
like plastic kind of light on that one.
They're supposed to look like this.
So this looks really good. I was not expecting that. Yeah, like I like that. Like it's a little bit closer, like it's a little bit brighter than the wheels are. But goodness gracious, it looks good in white. I am a fan. So how long did this take you?
So I was working on it all last weekend.
Oh gosh, and that's why you drove the charger to me on Friday. So you had this in the progress the entire time. I'm guessing you finished it this morning?
Don't tell anybody. Don't tell Hayden yet. I've told majority of people, but I wanted to surprise you two specifically.
Okay, so don't.
So Friday, I was gonna wait, but I can't wait anymore, dude. I've been holding it in all week, and I bought the vinyl like a month ago. So, I've been keeping it under wraps forever.
Literally. Like a month ago, you said, I'm going to order it eventually, and you'd already had it.
And I've said it Friday. I said it last Friday. I was like, yeah, I'm going to order it. Eventually, I'll order it.
You done did have it.
I've been done did it.
That looks really good. I'm a fan of this. Like, when you were first going through it, I pictured it in my head, and I knew it was going to look pretty good, but now seeing it in person, like, especially because this is your first time wrapping an entire car.
Full wrap.
And
it's not perfect at all.
It's definitely great.
I knew I forgot to do that.
Oh, there's like one little seam right there.
No, I cut the other side, and I didn't cut the bottom on the other side. Oh, this is the honeycomb tent.
Okay, so this is new tent that Michael got a hold of.
You can't really see the honey. You might see it.
The issue is, this video is going to have to go up at some point during the week, right? So how are you going to surprise Hayden with this?
Well, you can't upload it this week then.
Oh, lame. I don't know if he's here yet, but we're about to find out. This is cool. This thing's fast.
Huh?
Fast.
Nope. What the? Ooh. What the? Ooh.
What?
You get some shit in there.
You really can't.
What the fuck? What's this semen cell doing here? Oh, it looks so good.
I'm gonna hang a piece off the back and just drive around with it flapping away.
Put a little tail on it.
A flagellum. Oh, you put a little sticker on it.
Hell yeah, dude.
Oh yeah, I did the man.
That's so fucking good.
Who needs badges? You got stickers.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of the actual Mazda badge, but the Speed's fine.
Yeah, it looks just like the normal badge.
Golly, I was not expecting a big ass white thing coming in. This is
Oh, yeah, unless that junk's open forever. I drove all the way here with it open.
the first time I seen the wheels too.
Really?
Yeah. They look more bronze in person. They look black in a picture.
Yeah, they did.
Holy fuck.
My leg's on fire.
I like what you did up front.
Yeah, so that was about 2 weekends of work.
Yeah, was it a pain?
Not really.
I didn't even know you had the wrap stuff yet.
The bumper was definitely a pain. The front bumper. The back bumper wasn't bad.
How many pieces do you have to do for the front?
10.
10? Holy shit!
There it is. 10 pieces on the front.
Golly.
I screwed up one of them. I cut through it on accident. I just left it. I don't even care. I'm not redoing it.
Look it.
Nope.
Golly. God, it looks so good with like the dark ass window tint. Jesus. Ooh, the rainbow.
Should take it to that sunspot over there.
Oh, right there?
Yeah. That junk looks crazy.
But it looks incredible. For your first time wrapping an entire car, this is really good.
And I don't know if I like the badges not being on it.
Yeah, it does look a little funny without the badge on it. But could get you, probably could just 3M yours back on, right?
There's a lot of stuff that I could conjure up in my mind.
Like, this just looks great. Like, I'm a big fan.
It's so bright.
And white's not a color these cars came in, right?
I think they did. I'm not sure.
I know the Gen 2s came in white. I've seen a couple of white Gen 2s, but I haven't seen any white Gen 1s yet. So,
Looking at it.
yeah, besides this one. So, oh, Michael absolutely killed it with this one. Because we were curious, me and Hayden were always curious, so like, when is he going to do it? Like, I'm ready to see it, like, all done, and here it is, sitting right here in front of me.
Oh, man, I forgot to put my antenna back in.
So, I don't know how you're going to surprise Hayden to this, but...
I'm going to pull up to the meet Friday. I'm going to tell you to record.
Mm-hmm.
Just like, you know.
Just like you did a minute ago?
Of course, I don't have to keep it secret from you, so I'd be like, okay, well, get close to Hayden and record him. I'll pull in. That's what I was originally going to do to both of you.
Yeah.
This meet.
Yeah.
But I didn't get it done last weekend, so I was like...
How close were you around Friday?
So, the other surprise that I have for you. Now, last week I got this fender, this door, quarter panel, this door done.
Okay, so you had it partially done.
Yeah.
Did it sit in the garage, I'm guessing, the entire week?
No, I took it down to...
So we would have found out.
One thing.
If we had gone to your house last week, when we would have seen this.
I couldn't keep it under wraps, but I didn't want to tell you guys, and I was like,
I'm guessing that's why, because you had said we were going to get together at your house last Sunday, and then you never said anything.
Yeah.
I'm guessing this is why.
Yep. Here, come here. Check this out. You can show this on Instagram, too. Or on YouTube, I mean. You know my recent few Instagram posts?
Yeah.
If you zoom in on the pictures, you can see the wrap. Oh, I never sent
Hidden
that.
Easter eggs?
I never sent that. Oh, bollocks. Oh, well. I just shared it.
Oh, the old throwback that I posted? The 240 squad days?
Come on.
That's a year. That was quite a while back.
Yeah.
It was like, it was only
If
yesterday.
you look. So in this picture, you can see the entire side right there wrapped and the headlight piece done.
I actually didn't notice it.
And then
like, you had it masked perfectly
on this
in
picture,
the picture.
you can see the fender done right there.
You barely.
It just looks like the sun. That's why I did it.
Yeah, that's why you angled it the way you did.
So, yeah.
Well, this looks great in white. I'm a big fan of how this came out.
And the front, I think I like that front.
I think I do
grill.
too. Like, it goes really well as to give it like an accent. I know you'd originally planned on doing the roof in black as well.
Yeah, I did, but I didn't have any more gloss black.
Gotcha.
I managed to have enough vinyl left over because the rear bumper took me twice, 2 attempts.
Oh, okay. I knew that. I felt like that one would have been a nightmare.
Yeah, that junk sucked.
What was the hardest part about the entire car?
It wasn't hard. The front bumper was.
Front
it
bumper?
took me all day yesterday just to do the front bumper, and then I did the rear bumper too.
What all did you do this morning before you came here? Because you'd planned on being here a couple hours earlier.
The roof, and I did the trunk.
Oh, and I just realized you texted me you're on your way in the Charger. And so that's what I expected. That's why when you said I figured out how to make the Charger pop, I was like, oh, he's in the Charger today. And then you got me good on that one.
Yep.
Got me good.
So
I'm guessing you worked on the trunk today to finish everything up?
yeah. Yeah, I just finished the trunk.
Dude, I think Hayden's going to flip. I think he is. I think he's going to like this a lot. So, we did the review on this car about a month ago, maybe a month and a half ago, and this car was still red, and it didn't even have the black hood yet. That was like the first of this whole transformation was when he did the black hood. And then, like you said, he kind of had pictures posting behind the scenes of the car before it was completed, and again, this is Michael's first time wrapping an entire car, and it came out really, really well. Like Michael said, he said it's probably not like 100% perfect, but
not 100%. I would tell you that. Look, I mean,
but it
like,
looks really good.
Oh, this is the one I adapted. This side sucks. This straight sucks completely. You can see it in the top, right there, right here. So, and the door handles. Oh my God.
Were they difficult?
Screw the door handles, man.
Was that the hardest part, probably? Like on the door side of things?
They're not hard. I mean, they're hard, but they don't take long. Like,
yeah.
The bumper was hard, but these are easy, but they just, such a
More
high
meticulous.
chance of failure. It's just.
Yeah, it makes it tricky. So, this looks great. I think for your first time wrapping an entire car, it came out better than anyone probably could have pictured.
The windows are tinted.
Yeah, I remember you talked about that. So, I think the Mazda aesthetically, unless you want to put wheels and coilovers on it, is about complete. And the car's at stage 2 now as well, right?
Sure.
So, eventually we may have to redo the review on this. Once he gets, I think you're wanting to get an S3 from B&R on this car. And then...
Oh, and you can really see the MazdaSpeed underneath this now.
Yeah, with the red, you couldn't see it quite as well, but with the white, it pops a lot more. And it's funny because he brought a sample of this color with us on Friday. And was showing us it. Little did we know it was already halfway on the car.
Oh, well.
This was a pretty nice surprise. I was not expecting this.
Good.
So now it's not the red hatch gang anymore with Liam sitting here.
Rip.
Now Liam is back to being the only red hatchback that we know. Since Andrew got rid of his red hatchback to get a gray one, a really fast gray one.
Yeah, you got a nice one.
So if you haven't already, go check out Michael's Instagram. I'm guessing after he shows Hayden the car, we'll start seeing pictures on Instagram and stuff like that. So this looks incredible. So I'm not gonna have to hide this until Hayden finds out some way or another.
You gotta hide it.
So why can't we?
Post.
Because he's kind of down for the count right now, right?
Yeah.
So maybe we should like FaceTime him or something like that, and see, like, just go ahead and do it.
If he doesn't show up, if he says he's not gonna do it on Friday, we'll do it.
Yeah. I'll probably talk to him a little bit more the next couple of days.
Don't give it away.
Sick. I'm gonna try not to. I was really tempted as soon as we ended this clip to like send him a snapshot, like a screenshot, like a Snapchat of this thing.
It's tempting, but I did it for 2 weeks now.
Yeah, we don't want to get ruined.
Yes.
So who all thinks we should do, probably not this color, but we should have Michael do some wrap work on that guy? Let me know, because I got a couple ideas. And I think I'll need some body work before it. Like Hayden's car.
That door looks terrible.
What does?
Where you wrapped over it, or where I wrapped over it right here.
Oh, where the little ding was?
Yeah.
I can't see the other ones. Like I can see the little ding right here in the seam of the door.
Oh yeah.
Like that right there.
Stick.
Right there. But I can't see like any other ones. So then he said this door was pretty chewed up.
Yeah, it's right here.
Yeah, like you can't really see it. So, I mean, this looks incredible. I mean, like I said, Michael did an absolutely killer job for it being his first ever full car wrap. He's done hoods, he's done roofs, he's done...
Roofuses.
Roofi. You've done pretty much everything short of a full car. And here we are with the first little experiment of it.
Yeah, man, this is...
And it came out as good as you see it.
There's a few things that I wish I could have done differently, but with my skill level, it's just not going to happen. There's no way.
And, as you get more and more experienced, I mean, we'll see, even better stuff. Yeah. Like a certain Honda soon that might also be in this exact color. So this is going to be great.
I can't start taking pictures now.
Yeah. We could go do like a secret photo shoot, not even tell Hayden about it, because I think Hayden will be upset that I knew about it before he did, because like he's been looking forward to seeing this.
Well, it was intended
for both of us to see it simultaneous.
Yes, at the same time, and I was gonna be like, hey, check out the Mazda's pops when I pull into the meet or something.
And it's like, whoop,
but
it's white.
now that you're in on it, it'd be easier for me to be like, hey, record Hayden's reaction.
Yeah. Because that's one thing that, like we were saying, Hayden was extremely excited to see this. So, because obviously it'll give him an idea of what the color would look like, and they'll see how he could try to formulate it in his head on his car, because he's thinking about doing a very similar color. I think he was wanting to go more gloss, though, because this is like a satiny finish, right?
Yeah, this is a satin, I don't know, I think it's Ghost Flip Pearl or something like that.
Gotcha. But I think, like I was saying, this is incredible. First big car wrap from Michael. So, like I said, go check out all of his Instagrams and stuff. Do you still have it on the side of the car, or did you take it off?
What? Instagram?
Yeah. Well, actually, it matches the car now.
What I was gonna do,
So go check
I
out.
was gonna wrap over this window. And
Okay.
You just see the outline of all this.
Oh, gotcha. So
Kinda
he's
like
got.
the headlight.
Yeah. So he's got his Damon Motorsports. That's a Diamond. I keep wanting to say Diamond too.
I thought it said Diamond too.
His cop sticker and his JBR stuff for the intake on this car, and then he.
I still gotta get Edge Auto Sport on there, but it's so long.
What did they do on this car?
That's just where I bought everything from.
Oh, gotcha.
They're just
So.
a seller.
So we might eventually do some sort of like secret photo shoot with this car, and not tell anyone about it, and then Hayden finds out, like, bro. But yeah. So this is Michael's car that is now completely.
Not red.
Yeah.
For the most part, you can see.
And I'm gonna be honest, I liked the red.
I had the windows up for a reason because.
Oh, it's inside of the door trim still. Oh, okay.
Red.
But I mean, that's probably gonna be stuff you'll do eventually.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not.
I
like
just
the
wanted
main-
to get the car done, so
Yeah.
I can say the car is done, and hey, look, I wrapped it. So
Yeah, but
I'll touch up spots.
again, fantastic first outing by Michael on his own. Did you have anyone help you do this, or did you just
Nobody
completely by yourself?
Completely by myself. 100%.
What did your
I
mom
was gonna
think?
do a YouTube video, but with it being my first time, I thought it was gonna be way too much, so I just took pictures along the way.
Gotcha. What did your mom think of it?
She likes it.
She likes it a lot. I'm gonna be honest. I liked the red on this car, but this looks better. 10 times better.
The
And the
rims
red.
gotta do something different though.
We need to get some gold RPF ones.
I don't know. Something's gotta be.
Fitment Industries hooked my boy up. I need some wheels on this thing. He wrapped the entire car by himself. That should at least get him some cred, right?
Sure.
But I think I'm gonna wrap up this clip here. Like I said, go follow Michael's Instagram. My phone was about to overheat because it is
Ow.
hot as absolute today. So
Yeah,
go check out all the stuff on Instagram. This car is not gonna be posted in this color for a minute because again, we want to kind of hide the surprise from Hayden that this car is done.
Does Hayden watch your YouTube videos?
Yeah,
Sometimes.
sometimes. Yeah. But yeah.
It'd be funny to post it and be like, oh, hey, yeah, go check out my YouTube channel too. You would have seen it last week.
Exactly. So go check out Michael's Instagram on the back window here for this car. And like I said, we'll have pictures posted. Well, he'll have pictures posted sometime in the next week or two on this. So all said, hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time.